Namaste. Hi, I'm Hanna, the founder of Sonic Yoga, and I am so excited to share with you that we are celebrating our 20-year anniversary. It's so unbelievable that we have been surviving and thriving for 20 years. There have been so many beautiful souls that have walked through the doors of Sonic Yoga. So many amazing students. We have had unbelievable teachers throughout the years and continue to. Our karmis, the people who dedicate themselves to supporting the studio, everyone behind the scenes. It takes a village, and that village is Sonic, and it's so beautiful, and it's such a powerful reason to celebrate. We are having our party on December 4th on Saturday night. I hope you can be there. We are going to share some food, share some music. Some of the community members are going to perform, and we're going to unite together the way that the Sonic community does. It's been a rough couple of years, and I think we've all been experiencing separation. So the theme of our celebration is unity, and it starts with the self, right? I know for a lot of us, we've been feeling that separation between mind and body and spirit. And it's why it's so critical now. It's so important to be in the studio, to be in your yoga practice, so you can heal all the separation and bring together in unity and integrate all the parts of yourself, so you can be whole and you can feel the fullness and the beauty of the perfection that you are. And sometimes we get separated from our friends, from our family, even from our loved ones, when we're under so much stress. We have so much mental static in our minds, and it's so easy to get off track, to lose our syncopation, to forget that we're all entrenched in this same beautiful rhythm of life. It's important to send love out, and our prayers and our intentions and our dedications to those that we love, and to offer forgiveness so that we can unite together. And then the world, right? There's so much divide politically, so much division right now, and it is important to take a moment to honor all of those that are different, people that don't look like us or see things the way that we see things or feel the way that we feel, people that speak differently and do not celebrate the same cultural experiences that we do, and to recognize that there is something that joins us all together, that it is that Namaste, right? It's the light that is within me sees, it reflects that same light in you. We are all coming from the same light, which is so beautiful, and it's important to celebrate it, to remember it, to recognize the unified field of existence that not only includes all beings, but also includes all of nature. Look at the beauty, the glory that we see in the sunset. The moon is here, feeling the connection to all the creatures, every little animal that walks the earth, the four-legged ones, the creepy crawlies, the ones that swim, the ones that fly, and then to Mother Nature herself, to the divine. Every time I say that, the wind blows, like nature's like going, yes! And to feel, sometimes we feel distant, we feel disconnected from the source, from the universe, from the higher consciousness, from God, from the goddess, however you want to call it. And it's important that we create those ritual practices, that we wake up every day in a state of sacred ceremony, so that we can remind ourselves and remember that we are all united, that we are all connected, we are all part of this one unified field of light and love and consciousness, which is yoga, right? That's what yoga does. It reminds us that we are not just separate, right? We are not just our mind, that we are something greater, something grander. And so I encourage you all to reflect on that, to celebrate unity this month as we move toward the holiday season, and to come and celebrate with us at Sonic. I hope to see you there. So much gratitude for everyone. Love you all. Many blessings. Namaste.